Honda S2000. Let's see what you like. So welcome back to another episode of Geared, and yes, we are back in a Honda today and we are at Snetterton. Snetterton, pretty much the other end of the country from Birmingham, and we're going to be driving Jordan's Honda S2000 with individual throttle bodies, ITBs, running 262 horsepower. A lot has been done to this and it looks absolutely mega. We'll speak to Jordan and see what has been done with the car. Jordan.
How you doing?
Alright. Honda S2000.
Yeah.
How long have you owned this?
Only brought in about September.
Yeah.
So not done too much to it.
Yeah.
Bit of a weekend toy.
Yeah.
Track toy.
What sort of power is this producing now?
Made 262.
Yeah. And what torque?
About 175.
Yeah. So what's been done for it to produce that?
So they make 240 standard.
Yeah.
It's got 80 power throttle bodies, ported and polished heads, AEM standalone ECU. That's about it.
Okay. So who's done the mapping on it?
Romain at RaceCal.
Okay. Onto the gearbox. Has anything been done to the gearbox?
Standard gearbox.
Yeah.
It's got a Lightened flywheel and stage 1 clutch. That's about that as well.
Okay.
Just on Bilstein B14 Coilovers, AR1 tyres, spoon brakes.
Yeah. So chassis mods, like you've done just coilovers, brakes, so there's spoon brakes, what pads?
Carbon Lorraine RC6 is on the front and then a 5 plus on the rear.
Okay, so it stops quite well.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. And did you say AR1 tyres?
Yeah, Nankang AR1s.
How are you finding them?
They're pretty good.
Yeah.
It's a 255 squared setup.
Good, so it's nice and balanced?
Yeah.
Kind of. Okay, so onto a bit more of the exterior. What alloys are they?
They're just rotors.
Yeah.
Cheap.
These are normally like convertible, aren't they? And you've done like a hard top for this. So if you just have a look there, there's a hard top on it.
Yeah, it's just a factory GT. Comes with the hard top, the extra thing.
Yeah. And what wing is that? Because it's quite a big wing.
It's APR GT C200, I think.
Okay. And interior wise, you've changed the steering wheel.
Just, yeah, steering wheel, Recaro SPG as the drivers, and then it's the cheap Corbeau, whatever it's called.
Is it a Club Sport? Is it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Club Sport, yeah.
And harnesses?
TRC harnesses.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Okay. It looks really good, mate. I've got a question for you though. What's going on with the exhaust?
I've got a nice single exit, but it's a bit too loud for the track, so we've got a nice crap speed on there. Keep the noise down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't been in an S2000 for years, so it'd be good to get back in one. Yeah. Johnny Tran will be happy as well.
Yeah, that's it. Enjoy it.
Cheers, mate. Honda S2000. Let's see what you like. It's been about over a year since I was last at Snetterton. So it's Snetterton instead of Donington. Our one's getting up to temperature a little bit, feel it sticking a bit more now. tyres everywhere. So far, the seating position is really nice and low to the ground. It does feel quite compact inside. Feeding that power in nice. Singing all the way up. You can feel like the back end is a little bit soft. Could definitely do with stiffening up a little bit. After the turn, you can feel it sort of wash over a little bit. And Jordan, what is going on with this steering wheel, mate? It is filthy, and that is the problem with having a red steering wheel. They get dirty really quick, especially if you're working on your car. There's a little bit of grip there, that was my own fault. There you go. It feels like it's going to go, and then it sort of brings it back in line. Little dab on the brakes, get it turned in, feed that power in now. Them throttle bodies sound amazing. Acceleration could probably be a little bit more. It feels good. It just feels like it lacks quite a bit at the top. Doesn't feel quite as lively as I thought it would. You really feel when that is out of VTEC, like I'm leaving it in third now, foot is flat, now we go in. The driving position is really good in this. The steering is nice and sharp. I think that's got a lot to do with the geo setup, but it's just getting let down a little bit by how soft it is. And I mean, Jordan even said that, you know, it is a little bit soft, but I mean, you've always got to get that happy medium between, you know, a road car and a track car. to go, but because of how soft it is, it doesn't. Just sort of handles it, the tyre takes over and grips. As long as you're keeping the revs nice and high, it's just ready to dart off straight away. And obviously I'm not driving it flat out. It just feels like it needs that extra bit of go. Doesn't feel like a K-swap. K-swap has a little bit more at the top. Seating position and everything is really nice. It's just that it does feel like you got to drive it. It is a real driver's car. But yeah, mega car, sounds amazing. Just needs that little bit extra go, and it needs stiffening up. I think that is what is letting the chassis down and the handling down a little bit. But for what it is, really good. It's so nice to be back in a Honda and have it revving up to 9,000 revs. But big thank you to Jordan for letting me have a go in this. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and give Jordan a follow on Instagram too. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.